I'm back with another video. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna call one of my friends them and call her and tell her so she win $10,000 from Digital Bus Out promotion. Call her tell her so I come from one radio station and she win Digital Bus Out promotion. So I call her, tell her so she win some money. Hear her reaction I go be making a seat. Making a laugh.
You don't come from planet Earth.
I'm beating, isn't me? So guys, just stay tuned. It's not go short and sweet, but just stay tuned. But guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video them. If you're new, remember to click the notification bell to get a notification anytime I upload a new video. So, wanna just watch this. No long talking. If me get there, so share every time answer phone.
Hello?
Hi, I'm DJ Sweetness calling from Area FM. You're live on the air.
I'm live on the air.
Yes, I'm calling in regards to a digital bus out bubble promotion. You win $10,000 Jamaican dollar.
Me I win $10,000 Jamaican dollar. What could I call this for me? Nice.
Mama, you're live on the air. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Big up your name.
Talk to me. What am I saying?
Big up yourself, Mama. Tell me your name. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? You're live on the air. What's your name?
Mortis.
Me not get that. Me not get that.
Mama get what is that?
You win $10,000 Jamaican dollar from the digital bus out promotion.
Hey, kids, you can't blood clot trip me in again.
Bomba, I'm gonna put on my vice changer. Yo, I'm gonna put on my vice changer, mama, so I call you. Yes, mama, big up yourself, you see it. Alright, no say nothing. Guys, she pick up my vice. She pick up my vice. I know that she not pick up my vice. So I'm going for my vice change. I would still. Ciao. So guys, that was an epic fail. She know my vice. She know my vice. Even though I put my vice change, it still never work. But no worry yourself, guys. We have more pranks coming up. So just stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, copy and paste.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Remember to like, subscribe and share up the video. And if you're new, remember to click the notification bell to get a notification anytime a new video is uploaded. And guys, remember to visit my Instagram page at case_bouquet if you want your bouquets them when you get married and sing. Alright guys, love you now. Stay safe.